An increase in which of the following would be most likely to increase long-run growth? So in this question, we're asked to identify which of the following factors, if increased, would lead to an increase in long-run growth. So the key factor to remember for this is that there are only 4 factors that influence long-run growth, and those are the 4 factors of production: land, labor, capital, and entrepreneurship. So, an increase in any of these following 4 factors would result in an increase in the long-run growth. So, option choice A says pension payments. This is incorrect because pension payments do not fall into any of these 4 categories, and pension payments are simply transfer payments made to people who have pensions. So, this wouldn't result in an increase in long-run growth. B. Unemployment compensations. This is incorrect because this is essentially the same thing as pension payments, as they are simply payments made to unemployed people, and because they don't fall into any of these 4 categories, B is also incorrect. C. Subsidies to businesses for purchases of capital goods. This seems to be the correct answer because subsidizing businesses to purchase capital goods means that businesses are more likely to purchase capital goods, and with that in mind, the amount of capital will increase. With an increase in capital, the businesses can produce more goods, and as they are able to produce more goods, the long-run growth has increased. So C seems to be the correct answer. D. Tariffs on imported capital goods. This is incorrect because tariffs on imported capital goods means that the capital goods that are imported have a higher cost, and because of that, businesses will buy less of them, and because they're buying less, capital will decrease. Because capital has decreased, they're able to produce less goods in the future, so long-run growth has decreased, not increased. So D is incorrect. E. Tariffs on imported oil. This is also incorrect because imported oil represents a resource cost, and resource costs influence the short-run aggregate supply, not the long-run aggregate supply or the long-run growth. So E is incorrect. Therefore, the correct answer is C.